Hi, welcome back to Grow New Plants. So today I'm going to plant live oaks again. I haven't done live oaks in 2 years. I didn't do any last year. I collected some. I found a really nice tree this year that had some good seeds that looked like they weren't going to be dried out or anything. And then I stored them in the refrigerator, just in a Ziploc bag with a little tiny bit of moisture in there. And then I brought them out. I guess I'm going to go ahead and pour the water out of them where we can take a look at them. I brought them out of the refrigerator yesterday, and the majority of them were starting to crack at the tips. And so I started soaking them yesterday, and most all of these, they cracked even more. You see, they don't have actual roots coming out yet, which is good. This is perfect, but they're ready to start putting roots out. So as soon as they get in this warm soil, they should start putting out roots. So this is basically pretty simple. I'm going to go through and I'm going to pick out all the ones that are cracked already, because they have the best chance of being viable. And I'm doing these in 32 cell trays. Most of my oaks I do in 18 cell trays, but live oaks you can do in these smaller ones, and I'll just transplant them up quicker back into the 1 gallon root makers. So these are being put into, and I'm just pushing these things down where the top of the acorn is maybe about 1/4 inch or so below the surface of the soil. And doing these in 32 cell root maker trays. I'll transplant them into 1 gallons to start with, and then just keep moving up from there. And this is my normal seed starting mix. I'll put a link to the video up there on how I made that. I made a new video this year showing how to do the seed mix. And if you're interested in any of the root maker trays, I've got a link down there to the Root Maker's retail website. So you can buy these trays and pots and all that different stuff directly from them. And I've got a code down there where you can get a 15% discount. So that's kind of cool. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna post this video and then do it with an update. Some videos I post with, that looks like that's about all of them that have the tips coming out that are already cracked, but yeah, there's another one that's cracked. But I feel pretty confident all of these. They all sank. I think they're all good. I think some are just a little bit farther behind as far as starting to come out. So I'll just randomly pick seeds from this point. There's another one I missed that's cracked open. Anyway, if you want to get any of these root maker trays and try them, they really are good with the root pruning technology. I'm a firm believer in them. So anyway, I've got links down there to that if you're interested in it. So I'm gonna go ahead and post this video, and then I will come back hopefully in about a month or so. I'll have trees popping out of here. Just depends on the weather. It's been warm, but it cooled off. So the last thing I need to do is I just need to put a little bit of soil back across the top just to kind of cover the tops of the acorns up. I'm not mashing it in or anything. I just want to loosely cover them up. And I got my tags here. And then I've got my, let me just drop my glasses on the ground there. Got my Flexilla hose now that I got inside my greenhouse. That's kind of cool. And then I got my 1 gallon mister. And this is what I use to water in the first couple times. After that, I let the irrigation system take care of it. I've got sprinkler heads, just regular, like lawn type sprinkler heads in here, and they water them in good after that. But for the first couple times I water them with this thing, just because it doesn't disturb the soil. It doesn't push all the soil and the perlite and everything out of the packages. So anyway, I appreciate you watching. Please like, please share, please subscribe, and then come back and check in a month, or hit that bell notification when you subscribe. If you've already subscribed, go back and hit the bell notification. That way, whenever I send out updates, you'll get notified of them. Anyway, I appreciate you watching. Thank you.